2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, compass, security system. Come take a test drive today.